This old guy DIY video includes footage of bluebirds moving into some new housing arrangements. A friend of mine recently put up some high-tech bluebird houses that include blink cameras with solar panels. In the last week of March 2025, you can see the bluebirds have decided to check out the new accommodations. In the next 2 minutes, he has some video just showing the birds as they're checking out the various houses, doing whatever it is the bluebirds do. So thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and have a great day.